Welcome to Sales Kitchen Training Systems. The sales call is part of our Heat Up Your Sales series, a baker's dozen of one-hour courses designed to ensure that you improve your sales results. This high payoff activity teaches you how to design, develop, prepare, and deliver consistently strong presentations. You'll learn the professional sales call technique PAPSI: preparation, approach, presentation, close, and evaluation. We'll blend in some fab and the 3 B's of selling, and your presentations will be informative, educational, entertaining, and so compelling your prospects will be saying yes long before you get to the close. You'll develop a detailed outline that even tracks your progress, and you'll begin to see improved results in as little as 7 days. Every day from now on, you'll set objectives, hustle, and give your professional best. I'm Mike Cooper, head chef here at Sales Kitchen. Give us a call to conduct any or all of the Heat Up Your Sales series at your location. Your team will brush up on their closing skills and be better prepared to heat up your sales. Thank you. I look forward to working with you. See you soon.